Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the end of the challenge. I officially hit the $500 mark, and well, we actually surpassed it by $50. We're at $550. That's because I sold the bench legs there, or the bench, that quite big bench there, for $300. And we also sold the 3 side tables for $250. So that's awesome. We hit the $500 mark. It took a little longer than I wanted, but we did it. So I know this is the end of the challenge, but I'm going to continue making videos. I don't want to really do the challenges sort of part as much. I'm going to maybe make some more tables to sell, maybe that. But one part I want to kind of focus on more is doing like more kind of bushcraft, and also maybe just trying different projects. Like, we got lots of wood here. Maybe let me know in the comments anything you want me to try to build here, because we got all this wood here. Got no plans for it really. Maybe we can build a massive shed or something, right? Maybe something like that. Let me know in the comments, but here we go. Here's today's video. Here's what we're going to be up to today. First of all, we have this piece all nice and sanded up now. How does that look? That looks pretty nice, eh? Really quite cool grain. So we're going to be epoxying this, and we are also going to be, remember these little legs here that I made for the 2 kind of spalted side tables? Well, those legs didn't really turn out there as I wanted them to. So what I'm going to do is we're going to make some new legs. So here we are. We're going to start with that, and then we're going to epoxy. That's the plan for today. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe. How today is going. I don't know, I got one of these done. I don't know if this is complete though, because I don't know if I should just put another thing here, another thing over there, and put a piece of plywood on it like I did the bench, or what I should do, if I should just leave it like this, if you think that's good enough little rack to put stuff on. I don't know, but we'll see here. Like, not really liking these a whole bunch, but it is what it is. But now we're gonna get on to unboxing that new piece, so that will be good. Here we go. And thanks for watching throughout the whole series, guys. The people that have, it's been nice to see all the support. But yeah, so thank you for that, and hopefully you continue on the channel during our other journeys. Here we go.